Okay, I wanted to share something very strange with you today. So as you can see, I have a little packet of cards. It's actually the ace through jack of, you tell me, is that a heart or is it a spade? With these cards, I've been able to perform magic that is absolutely unbelievable. So I've never thought that a deck of cards could be in and of itself intrinsically magical, but there's something weird going on with this deck. Okay, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that here. Okay, so what we're going to do is, you can see the cards ace through jack. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the jack down. Maybe I'll put it over here. He's going to be our prediction card, okay? And so what I'll do here is, with input from you, I'm going to just deal the cards out into two piles. How would you like these stacked? Left on right? Okay. And when you go to do this, you can actually do as many of these left-right shuffles with random stacking as you like. You want right on left? Honestly, you could do one of these or 70 of these. It still works, okay? Left on right? Okay, that's probably enough of those. Why don't we do an up? Have you seen an up jog before? I guess most people call it an out jog. So here you jog forward the even position cards, strip those out. How would you like those stacked? Right on left? Would you like to do another one? Just one more? Okay. We'll do one more of these. Now this might take just a little bit of practice, but not too much. Strip them out. You want left on right this time? Okay. I thought we would also deal out into kind of a, keep it in camera view here, kind of a pentagon here. Okay. Do you want the stacking clockwise or counterclockwise? Counterclockwise. Okay. Very good. That's great. Have you heard of the Pharaoh Shuffle? This one's a fun one. Here you break the cards exactly in half, which would be 5 cards, and then you just interlace them perfectly. And one of these is a Pharaoh in, the other is a Pharaoh out. But I found that I can do as many of those as I like with a spectator input. Okay, and then maybe we'll finish with, let's see, this is called a Charlier 1, kind of a fun shuffle here. Okay, would you like another one of those? Okay, so how it works is you move the top card over, and then the bottom card goes on top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, and so forth. Okay, so it's kind of a fun shuffle, actually. Okay, and then at this point, all I'm going to do is I'm going to deal out pairs of cards. Okay, so all I'm going to do, just little pairs of cards. Well, why did I say the jack was a prediction card? In what sense? Well, let's just take a look at the cards here. Okay, so let's see. Got those two, these two here, and then, come on, we can get these turned over. Okay, so in what sense can we conclude that the jack is a correct prediction card? What do the cards add up to within each pair? Don't they all add up to an 11? What card value do we normally associate with the jack? Isn't it an 11? So this is like the strangest effect. And I don't know if you need to find one of these bizarre decks that has a printing error, because clearly that's not a heart. That's the spade. And so I don't know if anyone lost their job at the factory or in the design department, but that's a mistake. So I don't know to what degree this is helping me accomplish this. But I'm pretty confident that if you perform the actions that I did with the packet that was set up, and you can do as many of the shuffles that I showed you, you can do as many of those as you like with spectator deciding, like stacking order and so forth. I'm quite confident this is going to work out every time for you as well. I don't think it's dependent on a defective card over here. So anyway, so thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.